What's up everyone, welcome back to RCHobbiesPR. In today's video we're gonna be crawling with the axial SCX24 deadbolt. We're gonna be doing it in different kinds of surfaces. In one of our last videos I did it with the axial SCX24 Jeep Gladiator, but now I'm gonna do it with this one to see how this one performed too. So let's get into it. So the first test will be a rocky hill. Now we're going to the next test. This is grass and rocks on a hill too. I think it performs a lot better when there's grass. Now we are on a dry dirt hill. So it's falling off in that area right there, but overall I think it's doing good. Now let's climb this wooden piece. Let's cross through water. Let's see if we can keep it straight through this lump of dirt. I'm actually using it in high speed, and that makes it a little bit harder. This deadbolt you can change it in high, medium or low speed, so that's a good thing about it. So far the deadbolt is doing great. Now we're gonna be testing the deadbolt in the sand. Oh well, there's a WRX and a Mustang, so let's see if I can go through them too. No. Let's give a shot to this tippy hill. I'm trying to do it with a little bit of speed because this is pretty dry. and it will make it easier if I do it with speed. Let's see. No, it's kind of difficult. No. Almost. Come on. We're almost there. Oh man. So nope, I couldn't do it. Let's see. So in one of my last videos, I tried to make it downhill through this area with the Jeep Gladiator, and now I'm gonna try to do it with the Deadbolt. Let's see if he can do it. I'm gonna put it on low speed. It might make it easier for it, but who knows. No. I think this car is pretty small and the chassis is pretty short, so I think that's probably maybe why it's more difficult with this SCX24. Oh, I almost did it. I almost did it. Let's see. Nope. Nope. Try the medium speed. There we go. Medium speed it was. So we have reached the end of this video. I really hope you like it, and if you do, please a big thumbs up. That really helps to support this channel. Also, comment down below what you think about the Axial SCX24 Deadbolt. Remember to follow me on my social media pages. All my links are gonna be in the description box of this video and every single video. And see you in the next one. Bye.